To finish our account capture, let's go back to the web again, right click, and you put visibility back so you know exactly which place I'm looking at. Then I'll turn this to the right. And we'll create sketch on the side. We will use a new tool called Offset. Offset will get your original geometry shape onto the plane. Okay. We will dimension this window from this side to this side. At 0.1. Then we finish the sketch. And we will extrude this part, that plane, cut, and we wanted it in 0.05. Okay. We will create another sketch. We will repeat the same process. In this plane, offset this geometry, and right click OK. Dimension will be the same from this side to this side. Will be 0.1. Okay. Finish the sketch. Extrude this profile. Cut by 0.05. Same as this one. Okay. Okay. Now, we'll flip this to the bottom. At the bottom, we will do shell. So we'll click on shell, this side, and we want the thickness to be 0.1. That's okay. Shell will open that part. Shell and right. Okay. Create sketch on this side. We want 3 circles in here. This circle will be 0.125 in diameter. Okay. Another circle here. Another circle here. Okay. Now we will use our constraints here to equal. I will click the circle that we already dimensioned and click on the circle. Now they're equal. Click on the dimension circle and the circle. Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead and dimension more. We will get a vertical constraint. Center of the circle to the green point. It's okay. And these 2 circles, if we didn't draw them on the grid, we can go and check and level it out with a horizontal constraint. Okay. Alright, the dimensions are from this center of the circle to the circle, which should be 0.625. From this center of the circle to the bottom, should also be 0.625. Now the circle, 2 the other circle should be 1.25. And from the circle to the bottom should be 0.125. Alright, so this really constraint. I will finish the sketch. We will extrude this circle, and this. I wanted that to be in 0.125. I'm going to remove that right hand. We're not done yet. We will use chamfer here. For the distance, now if your box is in that, go ahead and switch it to the distance and the angle. Our angle will be 45 degrees and the distance is 0.01. So let's say with that face, maybe this face, that edge, just click on that side. You will right click and hit apply. Repeat the same process in the next one. It's asking for the face, asking for the edge. Right click, apply. This is the face and the edge. Right click, apply. Okay, so we are finished. We will go ahead and change our color. I want my gold. Go ahead and save. This is the last part, so we're finished. We're ready to assemble the